So if you want to learn or know how I prepare this authentic oha soup or ora soup, in whichever way you call it, so please come close and let's get started. Meanwhile, my name is Chioma. If this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome, and please consider subscribing. You know, subscription is free of charge. So now let me introduce you to the ingredients we will use to prepare this oha soup. And here I have all my ingredients that I will be using to prepare this oha soup. So here I have the main ingredient, the oha itself, fresh oha. And here I have some oziza leaf, they are frozen. So here I have some palm fruit. Here is my cocoyam. And over here I have some different types of meat. I have cow foot, beef, and cow skin. So here I have two stockfish and two dry fish. I have some seasoning cubes. And here is my Ogiri Igbo. No oha soup without this ogiri. It gives it a very nice taste. So here I have some crayfish. Here I have some scotch bonnet pepper, onions for seasoning of and cooking of the meat, and salt to taste. So let's start the cooking. So I have transferred my meat and the stockfish in the pot, and over here I have the palm fruit and the cocoyam. I will be cooking the two together. So I will on the lights. I'll add water. So to the meat, I will add salt, some salt. And I will use two seasoning cubes to cook the meat. I will add the onion. And I will be adding a little dry salt, pepper to the meat. So I will stir everything together. Now I will add some water and leave it to cook. And I will cover it and leave it to cook until they are done. Now the next thing we are going to prepare is our oha, and I will show you how we pick and cut oha in Igbo land. Just with your fingertips, you have to cut the oha this way. You will just repeat the same process until you are done with the whole oha you are using. So here is our cocoyam and the palm fruits. They have been cooking here more than 20 minutes. I think they are done. Yeah. And here we have our meat. So today I will show you how my grandmother uses her hand to peel off the shell of the palm fruit to extract the concentrate. But your palm fruit should be well cooked and should be hot that your hand can handle. Can you just see? Now I will be adding hot water. and when I'm done, I will keep it aside. Now over to our meat, and the meat is done. So the next thing, I will add the cow skin, the pomo. So now our palm fruit extract goes in. So at this moment, I will add our dry fish. Then I will cover and leave it to boil. So here we have the soup. It has been boiling here for 5 minutes. So right now I will add my crayfish and the pepper. And the ogiri. I melted it with water. So here is my cocoyam. I blended it already. You can blend it with your blender or with a mortar. So this way. So you add according to the quantity of the soup you're making. Now I will cover it and allow our thickener to dissolve. Yeah, you can now see that our cocoyam, our thickener have dissolved. I will taste for salt. Perfect. So at this point, I will add my oziza leaf. And please, you should be careful when adding your oha soup. One thing with oha soup is it gets more thicker when it cools down. So now at this point I will be adding our oha leaves. And after 2 minutes, our delicious oha soup is ready. So let me know in the comment section which swallow you would love or like to enjoy this soup with. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like what you've seen, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to also subscribe if you have not yet, and also share this video to family and friends. So we see you next time.